All right, people, I got a bullish, a bearish plan for GS. One of the reason being is, you know, my opinion, if this can confirm two different ways, um, more likely, they could confirm to the downside. So you need a plan for both ways. Now, if they don't, then we might be able to confirm to the upside or they chop. So GS is important because the reason why is on this particular day where got stopped out where I was making profits. This was the first warning sign of something. There was going to be could be a pullback in the market. So GS definitely. I started thinking about this GS being failing to confirm and then dropping lower. The same thing is here. They might try, even if they try to take it up a bit. We need power. So let's talk about the two different strategies in GS. So GS is set up to test lower or higher. If we can confirm to the upside, 235 to 240 is possible. Okay. Again, we have to confirm properly, right? And to the downside, 218 on the low end to as well 218, and on the what I mean is to the downside 218. That's the that's just like a little, like just a little fall, but on the lower end of it would go to 211 or 206. So there's still quite a fall from here. Okay, so let's talk about the call side in case we could confirm to the upside. Although looking at the facts, especially what happened with Apple, I highly doubt it. But you know what? We have to take the cues from the market, and this is why you're seeing me making a plan similar like the FedEx. FedEx was zooming and looking really good, and I made a bullish bearish plan, and the bearish plan won big time and made money. And this is kind of set up that way too. We're at a pivotal point. So on the long side, GS needs to break above 228 on some good action volume. And good action volume is 300K on a 10-minute chart. Now, if the volume, I'm going to explain in the video. Now, so if the volume isn't there, you definitely have to watch for basing above 228 and look for power towards 230. These are this 228 to 230 is a key pivotal point. Now, let's go look at the put side. Now, on the put side of things, GS needs to break below 222, 222 on some good action volume. And good action volume, same thing. We need more volume and pressure here. At least 300K. Now, because this 222 to 200 area is also going to be a key area of weakness that needs to be shown. Okay, and so what we're going to be looking for is if it breaks if it doesn't show enough volume through 222, I would watch for some basing above 222, and look for power, like some basing below it, and look for power towards 221 to 220. And that's what I'll be looking and engaging again. If we can get these, the August 18 to 20 puts could be used, or if things do work out to the upside, well, we'll see. But again, it's two different, like this. For this to move to the upside or to the low side, we need power and need a direction, because the last scenario is chop, and we don't want to be bothered with the chop. So let's go take a look at the options now, people. All right, people. So here we are at the Yahoo Finance. So Goldman Sachs closed down 135 to 224.15, even after falling all of last week from that glorious upward. So there is definitely a problem in the market. Even Apple, the way it fell, definitely it puts it in a chop zone at the moment, and could go lower. But I'll make some updates on that when we see more information. I mean, what I'm saying is Goldman Sachs is going to be a key. If it confirms lower, that's not good for the market, in my opinion. So this is why we got to watch this stock here. So the August 18. So if we look at the calls, right? Oh, look how cheap these calls are. Wow. Um, wow. Right now, the 230 calls are 54 cents. So in that being the case, I didn't realize that they went down that much. I took them off my. So one could use, now that we're in the video, one could use the 227. I'm going to reference the 227 and a half to 230 calls. So one of the two. So the 227 and a half calls, in case we get the right confirmation, could be used. You can see there's good trading here. And then if we go to the put side of things, you've got the 220 puts. These are definitely on the put side. You can see there's good trading, a good open interest. There's a lot of They're trading very well. Um, so there you have, people. A great update here. Some money, good money could be made to the downside. So let's pay attention to that. All right, people. Welcome to Power Target Trades, the place where I post powerful plans. All right, people. At the end of the video, see the picture of me. It's going to appear here in a circle format. Simply click on it. It's going to give you an easy way to subscribe. Of course, I'm known for Sandro Power Trick or Trade on StockTwits and on Twitter. But this is Power Target Trades, the YouTube channel for the plans that I post. A lot of great plans. The key is confirmation. Confirmation is key. Study the videos, visit daily. Check out my created playlist. A lot of great detailed information. There's a lot of great detailed information. So you want to subscribe, and you'll also want to follow me on Power Trick or Trade for updates and confirmation on the plans that I do make. Thanks for listening. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video.